Hindi. Ako, kinain ko na yun. Gijo, where are you now?
What?
Where are you now?
Campsite.
Campsite? What are you eating?
Eggy.
Egg adobo.
Egg.
Egg adobo? Mm-hmm.
Look at the pearl, Dad.
Mm.
Look at the pearl. Look at sideways.
Eating ka na muna.
Look. Egg.
Hmm?
Egg.
Egg.
So happy to have you. My
Mm.
friends are new here, so maybe you could tell them a little bit about the... Absolutely.
My hoodie again.
Hmm?
My hoodie fell.
Hood.
What?
Mm. Just put it on.
I'm getting hungry.
What do you want to eat? Go.
Can
Go. Go for a walk.
what?
Watch where you're going. Over here on this side. There. We're going to the pool.
But why?
Go.
I can keep my hood down.
No. You might have sipon. Walk.
What?
Walk.
Why it was there? Because the one thing there.
Mm-hmm.
It's so comfortable.
Yeah. Gising na? Sayon. Kaya nagpupuyat kasi Sayon. What's that, Ejang? What's that? Pool? You wanna dip in the pool? It's too cold, babe. Uh-huh.
Because it's dirty.
Ay, dirty na pala yun.
No, because it's dirty.
Yeah.
The grown-ups have to not the pool, right?
Mm-hmm. Go on.
My hoodie.
Mom is still sleeping.
But it takes so long to wake up.
Yeah, for mommy. She needs to sleep.
Hey, Rosetta, tennis racket is for babies.
And so,
Yeah.
let her play whatever she wants.
Hey, Rosetta, tennis racket is for babies. Yeah.
Ang cute mo, para ka lagi ko pag-reviewer.
No, that's only for big girls. Stop! 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 I'm going to get you. Yes.
Mhm.
I made a hot dog.
Okay. So yun,
Hey, yes!